Hello folks, and welcome to another short Parkside product review video. This time it's for this crossline laser. It costs only 25 euros, comes with 3 years of warranty, batteries included, universal clamp included. The device has two working modes. The first is with unlocked pendulum, which is self-leveling, and the second mode is with fixed laser pendulum, which gives you the ability to adjust the laser beam angle. The device also has the function to automatically switch off when the initial tilt is bigger than 4 degrees. It has compact housing with 6.35 millimeters 3-port thread. So let's open the box and see what we have inside. We have the two batteries, Mitsubishi electric, yes. We have the device. We have the universal clamp. Manual. Let's take a look at the device. The battery compartment. Made in Germany, I think. I hope. This is the 6.35 millimeters 3-port thread. It looks quite rigid. Here you can see the laser pendulum. This is the self-leveling indicator. And here you have the switch to lock and unlock the pendulum. Now the pendulum is locked. If you wanna work with a locked pendulum, which gives you the ability to adjust the laser beam angle, you have to press and hold for 3 seconds, I think, this button here. Sorry, there are no batteries in the device, my bad. Now let's try again. Press and hold, and you can see now we are working with a fixed pendulum. You can adjust the laser angle by yourself. Now, to turn it off, again we have to press and hold that button. Now, if you wanna turn on the self-leveling function, you have to push the selector forwards like this, and now you can see we have this red indicator, which means that the self-leveling function is not able to self-level the pendulum. This is because I'm moving my hand too fast, but if I hold it like this, the LED indicator turns green and the pendulum starts the laser beam. Again, if I move too quickly or if I tilt the device too much, the indicator turns red and the laser beam is cut off. To switch it off, simply push the selector backwards, the pendulum is locked, and now you can use it by pressing and holding this button. Pretty nice little tool, cheap also. So that's for me, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe.